Hello guys, review Doogee T20 Mini Pro 8.4-inch display, 820 56GB RAM memory and storage. In complementation we have adapter for charging and Type-C cable. Okay. Double camera on the back side, aluminium body we have, power button and low buttons on this side. We have IPS Full HD display, slot for SIM cards and micro SD cards, Type-C port, Android 13 we have, and look benchmarks. We have CPU Media Unisoc T606, single core score, multi-core score, and GPU G57. Look on total benchmark results. Okay, and look, PUBG Mobile works on the medium graphic level on this device. Okay, open camera. We have Pro video, photo, time lapse. Okay, good. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.